Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself, I tell you what I go on for not to go on, you see me? So, and I see all of the headlines from the traditional media outlets, and then I saw our minds a couple of days ago because, you know, we broke the story exclusively because we in the streets, not in the street. Listen, man, I say, I know we have the court document so we can give you the official review now. Listen, because this is the individual that will be cooperating against his co-defendants because this is a RICO case. This individual you see in front of you, Damion R. Jones, is working with the feds. Me will tell you why at the end of the video, you see, man, I say, but no, let's get into the meat of the matter. The court documents, and it's not a good look for the Flossing king. Are too much chattings, listen, man, I say, amongst other things, you know what I mean? So right in front of you, this is why we think Damion is snitching, because this is where the feds first got wind. FLIPPA Mafia was back in drug dealing because them first observed him going to Jones' house. You see, man, I say, and that's why them asked for one warrant, you know, for tapping to Flipper things, you see me? And it's not a good thing when them go in it because it just like squash them and them sing pan themselves, you know. And Flipper did a take picture of what was suspected to look like drugs. You see, man, I say, and he also took pictures of shipping labels, which the feds them intercepted and open and say beer drugs, methamphetamine, cocaine, you name it, it in this, and them repackage it up and, you know, do a control, you know, delivery. So them getting pan that, you see, man, some of peeps. You know, the transcripts that you see in front of you are Flipper and one girl, and he's basically talking about, you know, him loving freedom and all of this stuff. And he's not trying to, you know, do the same things that he did before because they're going to say he's the leader, head of the gang, and he doesn't want to take his friends down and then blame him for organized crime and all of this stuff. But the transcripts that you see in front of you know, him and one next girl, basically, him talking, him want to get back in the game. And him say him want one lamb truck, but him can't buy it. Him go on Lambo because it's going to make it look like, yo, he's back in it. So him need a business and all of these things. So, you know, they're going to hit him with money laundering charge. You see me? Or they can press pause and read the transcript. Me just, you know, go over it briefly. But a lot of people thought this woman was setting him up because all they were saying was, but... Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, when we read the other transcript with him and Damion, you will see that the woman them smarter than him and know say feds them could be listening, so them want to limit whatever them say, you see me? And the most important thing the woman say, you know, you can't make hype, make you go back and do foolishness. So they was even encourage him not, you know, to go back in, you see me, I say, so it not look like, you know, the E word, entrapment. Yes, entrapment. Okay, people, this is where the good part comes. The conversation between Damion and Flipper. And if you're a straight nigga, you have to give Flipper an F because no court now using no more people. Straight chattings, raw, uncut chatting, you know. And the feds, them are listening to everything. So, yeah, this is some of the conversations between, you know, Davis and Jones. Jones is saying he needs like 4, and need like about 20 more. And all of them think them only have 5, and them only have 6. You know what I mean? Just to give you some rough estimates, you see me, I say, because I be a loose chatting a go on. You see me, I say, and by the way, Jones a move, it's like, yo, them just set it up because if you are a man, normally get like one small thing and no, yeah, have some big things. It's like, where you getting all of this clientele from, you see me? And you can tell by Flipper response, him never too trust him, you know, but the money kept him calling. You see me, I say, because if the man call and ask for 10, Flipper say I'm only have 5. And meanwhile, him have 20 or 40. You see, man, I said, this is why I think Damion is snitching on Flipper and the next co-defendant, because this transcript that you see in front of you know, is Flipper basically, you know, telling this man, be careful out there because some people get luck and all of these good stuff, you see, man, I say, and that is what the FBI, you know, said in his notes, you see, man. And they said the drugs that Davis Flipper was supposed to give Jones was located at the mixup or whatever, boy. You see, man, I say, because, you know, them execute search warrants and all of these things after them catch people on video and all of this stuff, you see, man. And like I said, them did a chat with no code, because right chat, so you see in front of your Flipper say, he might work for 30 or 40 for himself, he might go be good, you know. And these people is not talking about coke, they're talking about methamphetamine because them have coke, but it's a joke. You know what I mean? Damn, my people. problem in the comment section now, because if this is the Damion in question, which I'm 98% sure, whoa, he just got locked up in 2020. I was supposed to do 7 years, but they let him out in a tree. You see me, I say, and them gone back to the foolishness and them thing that you see me. You know what I mean? And he accepted plea deals, and he was balling basically in court. You know, he had family and kids, and why the judge say if him continue doing this, he might go sit in a jail, you know. You know what I mean? And like I said, them never catch him with no 20K, you know, them catch him with like 1 ounce. You see me, I say, I know we see him doing big boy things, and if you look on the transcript between him and Flip, him not even ready, because if he's moving that type of work, he shouldn't be short. No bread all the time. Him should have the money ready to go. Swap, swap, swap. You see me, I say, so me just giving them quick update while going for not to go on, you see me. Do not forget to check out these next suggested videos and you see on the screen. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.